I see myself as a modern person. I'm interested in the latest, a curated way of life. Some people might even call me a trendsetter. I can be a bit spiritual. I live in Los Angeles. Tarot cards and horoscopes are so 2022. The latest way to predict your future is by fortune bowling. Everybody's doing it. You will release at least 6 albums. We'll see if it's gonna be one. Your obsession with bowling will grow and you will turn pro. This is something that actually could happen because sometimes I get these weird obsessions and I just go for it. So I thought today went great. I got a great strike. So maybe you will get canceled and then uncanceled. Be patient. Yeah, maybe. I started tweeting again, so I think it's just a matter of time. Jump in as a judge in the Swedish TV show Talang. Also, could happen. I can see that. Maybe just for a week, like a little guest judge, maybe. Becoming a teacher, move back to Enskede, settling down. In a parallel universe, that is what I'm doing because there's something about that sweet way of just living 9 to 5 that I love. And I do love, like if I were anything else but an artist, I would be a teacher. Have your sexiest year. Absolutely. Be on the cover of Vogue Scandinavia. Absolutely. Yeah.